Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm gonna be out here working in the garage today, trying to get the side-by-side put back together. We got a little rain shower going on right now. Just fed the cows. They're eating their grain. Nice little morning rain shower. But I'm gonna, I don't know if you can hear me, if it don't get too loud with the rain. We're gonna work at getting this put back together. I got, like I said, I got all the parts here. New clutch, belt. I got new bushings. Gonna be putting new bushings. All of these bushings here need replaced, so I'm gonna work at doing that too. So let me get everything lined up here and let's get started working on it. Well, there, I got it put back on, and well, guess what? I forgot to hit record button. Go figure. But anyway, I'm sure people have seen this done. But there's, everything's back in and ready to go. Now I'll just put the cover back on. I'm gonna try and, I think I got some heavy tape that I can put on that or something. But I'll figure something out. And I'll start getting this cover put back on. All right, there. Got it all back on. And now we're gonna work at changing all of these bushings. I'm gonna change all of them. I got a little bushing kit here, new sleeves, everything. So gonna see what it takes and get started on this. I did the front bushings on this already, but now the backs are getting pretty bad, so there we go. Gonna work it changing these. Just pop that out a little bit. Screwdriver here. There you go, there's the old one. See, these get wore out. There's a groove right here. You can see, plus they get a little sloppy on the pins, but most of the time this here wears out. So you just pop all these out and ow, hit my finger. Do that. New bushings, a new pin. Put that in. And I like to use the old ends. Put them like that. Tap like that. Put the bushing in this side. That's all there is to it there. And then grab their bolt. That's it for that one. And that's just the process. Just doing that until you get them all changed. There we go. We got one side all done. All the new bushings are in. All I gotta do is grease it and put the wheel on. And then same thing on the other side. So, you know, nothing too exciting there, but got that done. So I'll get on to the other side and get it done. But I gotta run and get some parts and stuff. So I don't know when I'll get to it, but I'll get to it as soon as I can. But that's how it goes. Sorry, I forgot to record. I forgot to push the record button when I put that clutch in, but it's nothing too special about it. But anyway, we'll get back to you later on with what's going on today. If I get this done or not, might be not till another day. Well, there's a side-by-side, all back together. I had to get a battery for it, like I mentioned, and get it charged up and get the battery in there. And then I forgot to record getting it all going and putting the bed back on. So anyway, that's just the end of getting the clutch going. Everything's good now. Runs, drives, good, everything. But I was at an auction and I picked up this old New Holland grinder mixer for grinding feed. So it needs a little bit of work, but it's not in too bad a shape all in all. I think it'll fit the bill. Tank's in pretty good shape. The biggest problem I have with it is over here. If you look at that pulley up there, whenever I move it, see that pulley wiggle? Somebody welded it on and welded it on crooked. So I'm gonna have to cut some of that weld loose so I can get that line back up. But other than that, it's in great shape. So you'll be seeing that thing working on some upcoming videos. So I appreciate everybody for watching, following along. Please subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, share the video, and you can see things are growing. We'll hopefully be planting corn in the next week. I got a line on some seed corn, so look forward to that. I'm gonna get ready and spread a couple loads of manure and be that much closer to getting corn in the ground. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.